Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Uvuyokazi Ngcoweni, she is going places, okay? So Ugel, as we all know, for some of those who don't know, Ugel went to Turkey to do a gastric sleeve surgery, guys. And look at this picture, look at the stomach, like the body is snatched, she is living her best life. So this surgery, guys, it's a surgery ear weight loss. It's the same as the one that was done by Ukukukumete Mamlambo from Uzalo. It's a surgery to lose weight. It's a surgery that apparently, allegedly, I'm not sure, it reduces hunger hormone. So yenza ukuthi uluze weight because you will be not eating as much as you were before. So girl is looking cute, she is looking snatched, she is going places because girl now she has launched her businesses. Guys, look at this body, like you guys, the body is giving. She didn't lose too much weight, but the stomach is flatty, like it's giving. So Ugel launched her 2 businesses, which she posted on her Instagram stories. Ukuti, she has 2 new businesses and she is looking for us to support her. She is like asking people to just go and check out the pages, go and follow the pages. First one, she is selling hair, and then I'm not sure about the other one, but people have started following her. She is gaining supporters. I know that she is going to get a lot of supporters because she is a celebrity after all, guys. So people will definitely support her, and I just wish her all the best. She also has a YouTube channel. For those who don't know, you can just search her name here on YouTube, watch her YouTube videos. I'm sure she is going to be sharing more about her businesses, about the weight loss and other things. So we can just go and watch and also subscribe. This is the hair business. The page already has 1K followers, guys. So yes, guys, congratulations are in order for Uvuyokazi Ngcoweni. We wish her all the best, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.